What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually going to be working on the Outlander because she needs a couple of items fixed on her. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but the bearings in the portals are cooked, especially the ones in the rear, because I was running grease in them because they were leaking before, but gonna go ahead, rebuild them. I got the Super ATV kit. They sell the rebuild kits for almost all the portals, 6-inch, 8-inch, 4-inch, all the gens. These are actually Gen 1s, so they've been pretty good. But as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, you can see the camber there in the rear, and that's not because of the arms, that's because of the actual bearing that's bad in them. So I'm gonna go ahead, get that opened up, clean them up, put some new bearings, new seals, and get her ready to run. Alright, so we just finished taking off the portal from the bike. Now we're gonna open up the... Over here. Let's do it again.
Do not talk to me like that. I hate you.
Bro, what are you talking about, man? We just took off the portal from the bike, and now we're gonna open her up.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Baby, I'm still talking. Just do it again. All right, we just took off the portal from the bike. Now we're gonna go ahead and open her up. Should be just these 3 bolts and these 2 Allen heads, and that's it. Open her up and see what's inside. I used grease before, so I don't think that helped out at all. As you can see, this seal is already popped out too. And like the bearing is pretty bad. You can move it side to side. So yeah. Look at the portals opened up. They are full of grease. I had to put grease in them probably 2-3 years ago. And look at this. It's all the components of the portals. So I'm gonna take it all out, clean them up, put some fresh new oil, because now that I'm gonna have good seals, it's not gonna leak out. So I've originally put the grease because people said they have used them on them and with no issues, because it's a lot harder for this to leak out. But look how nasty this is. Not good, not good, but everything looks good. I mean, I just gotta change all the bearings. It's gonna be good. Alrighty, so here is the process so far. Got a couple stuff cleaned up, but that was a lot of grease. Gonna go ahead and get some soap, clean these up a lot better. They look a lot better now, a lot less grease. I'm just gonna try to clean them as much as I can. So after a long, I think I took like an hour cleaning these. and I still haven't cleaned them perfect, but I think that is it. I took off the bearings also. I literally just got a hammer and pressed them out, holding it with my other hand. This gear looks good. This gear looks good. Took out all the bearings. Almost all of them just popped out by hand. So this is the only one that was kind of pressed in, but I literally just held it with my hand, and with a hammer I was able to just knock it out. Same thing with these, pretty easy. There is only one way you can put this in. So as you can see, the spline side has to go inside the portal, and the softer portion has to go towards the axle. So this goes into the portal, and this is towards the axle. But that's good. Portal looks good. Everything looks good. The bearings are just bad. The one that was worse is this one. That's the one that where the wheel rides on, and it was pretty bad. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and open the Super ATV box. I ordered 4 rebuild kits. Right now I'm just doing one. It's taking me a while because the rear ones had a bunch of grease. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, show you guys.
A few moments later.
All right guys, I got a little carried away with the grinder. Just trying to shine these things up a little bit because they were looking pretty bad. They look all right now, not too bad. These are actually cast, not aluminum. That looks good. So here is the Super ATV rebuild kit. As you can see, it comes with all these 3 bearings, and this one's for the big one right there. Got the 2 smaller ones for, I believe these are for the idler pulley. Not the idler pulley, the idler gear, which is this one right here. That's the input, that's the output. So yeah, everything's here, ready to go. Got 1 box there, another 3 there. Still gotta do the other one. It's probably gonna be another day. So these bearings are pretty simple. They just literally drop in. Look right there, done, that's it. They're not even pressed in. And this one should go here. Boom. That one's good. That one's good. And this one, I believe this one goes here. That one should go right. Yep. There you go. And you're gonna start putting the stuff all together. It's pretty simple. I think the only one I'm gonna have to press in is this one right here, which this one is this bad boy right here. So I think that's the only one that I have to press in. Other than that, all the other ones just slide right in. I just put the bearings in and the gears in. There she is. So that's how the portal works. Gotta make sure you put this gear correctly, because there's only one way it goes in and one way it goes out. But everything looks good. I did have to press this one bearing, but it was pretty easy. I just put it on the press, hammered it from the back, and that's it. So I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit, put the gasket, tighten it back up. It's ready to roll. Here's the finished product. Put everything back together, put the bolts in, the little Allen head screws back in. She's feeling pretty solid. So that's it. Just pretty much put it all back together. And that is 1 out of 4. So it's gonna take me a while, but oh well. It's gonna be like brand new. Alrighty guys, so we went ahead and finished up the portal. We just mounted the wheel on now. Everything looks good to go. Tomorrow I'll probably knock out the one on the right, and then the ones on the front are okay. The camber is actually from the control arms, so I'm gonna have to see how to fix that. So I still don't know if I'm gonna rebuild the front ones or not, because it was a lot of work just doing that rear one. But thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna continue making videos. Just let me know what you guys would like to see, so make sure to go ahead and subscribe. See ya.